We needed to get to those places to establish if those vehicles are government vehicles, so we could recover them. In doing that, we had to obtain a search warrant to get into those places. So it is after we obtained the search warrant that we decided that some of the places that we had some reports that some of these vehicles were hidden, we need to move into them and evacuate those vehicles. That's what exactly the team of the Committee on the State Assets Recovery has done.
All former governors of the state left with their vehicles, the vehicles that were officially allocated to them. And Governor Samuel Ortom's case cannot be an exception. Before the tenure of his administration elapsed, the State Executive Council made a resolution and asked him and his deputy and other appointees of that administration to leave with their vehicles. So it appears that the current government is yet to look into the extracts of the EXCO and hand over notes. If they do that, and when they do it, they will realize that Chief Ortom has not done anything illegal.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.